I'm rocking with. Ain't no question, girl, what we got is such a blessing. All those old relationships was lessons. I swear this shit feels special. I finally got someone to lean on. All up in my feelings, but a nigga still a Cheeto. We don't worry.
Yo, what's good, DEEZY Nation? So, you know what I'm saying? I had just woke up, got out the shower or whatever, and I'm like, bro, I gotta do my hair. So this is me just now taking down my hair. This was literally a wash and go from the day before using Diva Curl products. So like, it literally matted up my hair. My hair is extremely dry. So basically what I'm doing, I'm just sectioning it or parting it or whatever down the middle and literally making it damp because my hair was literally a big old tangled ball. I'm gonna give a review on their products because their products, some of their products just not for my hair. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Originally, I was gonna do me a low braided ponytail, but then I'm like, yo, I got an hour before work and I just don't feel like doing this. So I'm just about to refresh my wash and go. This is the Get Ready With Me. Hair edition. So all you see me doing right here is just detangling it. Like literally detangling it. It took me so long, bro. Like it didn't make no sense how long it took me to detangle my hair. Look at me, struggling, yo. It's crazy. Nothing but naps. Big old ball of naps.
Smooth sounds of Rick and Daddy's music.
So, you know what I'm saying? When you detangle one side, you got to detangle the other. Bro, it took me so long. So I'm finally done detangling. Thank you, Jesus. Now it's time to fix this crooked part. You already know I can't part to save my life. Almost there. Yay for DEEZY. So what I did, I took extreme wetline gel and I put it on the top of my hair because, like I said, I was about to do a slick braided ponytail. So after I decided I'm not about to do that, I'm like, you know what? I already put all this gel in my hair. Let me just do a style with this. So I'm like, let me just wear my hair down. So all I did was just put gel at the top because of the type of, you see what the type of style I'm going for. Like I wanted more laid and flat to my head at the top instead of puffy. So that's all I did, and now I'm just wetting my the bottom half of my hair so I can get my curls popping. So now I'm about to put in my As I Am leave-in conditioner. Let me know if y'all want a review because As I Am been good to me for the past couple months. That's all I've been using is As I Am. I tried out Diva Curl again because I'm like, maybe it's just something I'm not doing. But As I Am has been my go-to. So all I did was put the leave-in conditioner upon my hands and put it all over my hair. And now I'm taking the As I Am Jelly Custard. I don't really know the name of it, but comment below if you want a review. Comment below if you want a review on the As I Am products and the Extreme Wetline Gel, because I haven't been using Eco. But yeah, so I'm just putting the gel throughout my hair and brushing it through. So now that I'm done with that, I'm about to get my diffuser. And you see how my hair is like poofing up? I need where it's poofing up at the top to be flat. Like no matter what, everywhere else can poof up, but I need that top to be flat. So I'm just diffusing my hair so that, because that's where I put the gel, so the gel can harden right there. And the rest of everything can be poofy and curly and pretty. So yeah. Diffuse, diffuse, diffuse. Diffuse, diffuse, diffuse. Your girl don't play about diffusing. I hate wet hair on my neck. I hate wet hair on my face. I hate hair products on my face. I hate it on my back. I hate it. So I will diffuse until my hair is completely dry. I hate it, bro. And what I also hate is the shrinkage, bro, my hair do. It is crazy. But anyway, diffuse, diffuse, diffuse. Diffuse, diffuse, diffuse. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Oh, your girl DEEZY said we done with the diffuser. Let's get some heat up in there, you heard? So yeah, I'm just having a blow dryer go through my hair. Fluff, scrunch, pull. Fluff, scrunch, pull. Fluff, scrunch, pull. Hey. Fluff, scrunch, pull. Hey. Now I'm getting my wetline gel, you know, just doing a little bit of goo goo gaga, you know what I'm saying? Even though you can't see it, but that little swoop right there makes a difference. Period. Dang, DEEZY, you about to burn your hair off diffusing all day, golly. But I literally said, like, I hate wet hair, dog. I hate it. And my hair holds a lot of water. It will hold water all day. right, DEEZY Nation, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys like it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Peace.